And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
And my neighbors hate me because I literally just leave the leaves all over the yard and I kind of push them towards the gardens because I know how beneficial they are. It works out well. Skycam, you don't usually see the pedestrian bridge this busy in early November. That's like this really weird strobe light. No, I'm just kidding. It's like a barge or a boat, and it's actually lighting up the entire pedestrian bridge and making it easier for people to see while they walk or ride their bikes across the bridge at 6:14 p.m. on November 4th. And they don't even have jackets on. It's crazy. Temperatures in the 60s right now and a very mild evening after a very warm day. I took out the calendar, November 2022. That's the month we're in right now. And the first 4 days feature red boxes. What I did was I put plus 12, plus 8, plus 4, plus 9. You're like, what is that? That is the average temperature, how much above we were for the last 4 days each day. And therefore, when you get a red box, that means your temperature from your daytime high to your overnight low is above where it should be for this time of year. We're going to add a whole bunch of red boxes. They're going to keep on going all the way until my prediction is the 14th. That's what I think. 14th or 15th is when we might get our first blue box. It's going to take a long time. Satellite and radar. Might take a long time before we get some clouds in here. They're all to the north. We do have a chance for some patchy fog tonight, much like you had this morning when you woke up. It had that it was like a weird fog. It was like a movie fog. The sun was trying to burn it off quickly, and it did. It was successful, but it was a little foggy this morning. Likely that again tomorrow morning. The cold air stays west, the warm stays east, and there's not really much change in the temperature pattern until we get to the middle of next week. We just keep adding those red boxes. So some fog tonight. Temperatures mid to upper 50s. If you don't have fog, you'll have clear conditions, and whatever fog in the morning will burn off, sunshine and breezy. And temperatures well into the 70s for the Ocean State. 74 in Johnston, 74 in Warwick, 73 in Hope Valley. If you're going to stay in the upper 60s, it's at the immediate coast. And even the upper 60s is still nice this time of year. Southeastern Mass, sunny. After some morning fog burns off, a little bit of a breeze out of the south. You got to have a little breeze to kick up those warm temperatures and a lot of 70s. In fact, large 70s. What I mean by that is Attleboro 76, not 71 or 70, but 76. Think about that. That's unbelievable for this time of year. We could be breaking records all weekend long. And what I mean by that is daily high records. So generally clear conditions now will give way to a little clouds and fog in the morning. But overall, though, it's generally a sunny day and a nice day. Going to Saturday night, little cloud cover will build in. And there is more cloud cover on Sunday. That's always been the forecast. It's still going to be warm, though, and there's a slight chance of a few spotty showers Sunday evening. I think most of the activity, though, will kind of brush the Cape and Islands, but I have kept that little rain icon in the 7-day forecast all week long. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, there's your clocks going back. There's your warm temperatures. The clock may go this way, but the temperatures are going this way, and a lot of 70s. Cool off next week, but that cooler air is not cold. It's just back to where we should be. 50s to 60s by day, 40s to near 50 at night. Nick.
Thank you, Jeff. The Bruins